All right, coming up today's video, the numbers are out. We're looking at December's overall numbers, what happened in the market. Coming up next, stay tuned. All right, Michael Jacobzak here. Welcome to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications for more Toronto real estate market news. Today's video, we're just going over the numbers. We're just basically going over this month's or December's months overall numbers. Look for later this week, we'll drop an overall recap of 2018 as well as a forecast of what to expect in 2019. Now, jumping into the numbers, they're not good. Now, sales hit 3,781, which is down on a year-over-year basis of 22.5%. New listings were 4,308, and that is down 31.5%. Active listings just over 11,400, which again is down 11.6%. Average price just hit slightly over 750,000, which is up on a year-over-year basis of 2.1%. Average days of market is up as well to 31, which is a 14.8% increase from last year. Now, months of inventory overall, still very similar to last month. It's 3.02 months of inventory. Now, very interesting. Sales have been trending down. Like I said, last month we covered, how low they've been. Again, looking at this number, when we look at 2018, we hit 3781. December of 2017 was 4876. Trended all the way down to last time we saw sales this low was again 2012, which hit 3582. This is obviously not a good trend to start to going into the new year, but as you say, coming up in the next couple videos I'm going to do talking about what the future looks like, and based on what's happened in the past year, doesn't look like the year is going to be any more promising than this year. Overall, very, very low in terms of sales, which although, there is a demand there, but, and you're seeing prices, still go up here and there. Obviously, detached market taking, a hit there due to the fact of affordability. Many people cannot get into those higher brackets. And as mortgage rules keep changing and interest rate continues to go up, overall, you're going to see this number continue to probably trend lower and lower and lower, which might make opportunity for some to get in different brackets. But again, with all these different rules and the banks trying to protect themselves for exposure, again, very hard for anyone getting into the market. Now, just to break down a little bit more specifically with the overall market and numbers, we're going to jump into the sales and average price by home type. Again, with the 416 and 905, majority of the sales happening in the 905. And like I said, when you look at the year-over-year change in the detached market, minus 24.1% in the detached market in the 416. It's a very big number. In the semi-detached, minus 32.6 in terms of the sales. Normally, the condo market's doing, does quite well, but those are numbers we're seeing. Minus 23.9% in the 416 and minus 21.8%. But when you look at the average prices in these markets, they are going up. In the 416, like the condo market is up 11.4%, 905 a little bit less at 5.8%. The only numbers that are trending down on that are, like I said, the detached market, 8% in the 416 and minus 2.2% in the 905. So this is, although new listings are down, and which is causing with sales, lack of inventory is just driving the market up. Although, and like I said, a lot of people are on the sidelines, not knowing what to do, and very, we'll say, pessimistic with the market. So causing kind of a delay and chaos really in the market. I think overall, when we look at these numbers, what like I said, new listings for the 2007 or 18 quite really hurting the market because although sales are dropped off dramatically throughout the year, it's still such a big issue for buyers trying to find stuff in terms of their price points, what's available, just because inventory across the border quite low. Unless you start hitting into luxury markets, in the detached market, that'd be definitely over 2 million. Condo market, upwards of 1 million. And, you know, just very difficult for many people getting into the market, which is why you're seeing an increase in price on a year-over-year basis, but sales continue to trend down. So whether or not these numbers are going to improve, we'll talk about it in the upcoming videos in terms of the recap of the 2018 real estate market and the forecast. So look forward to that. Love to hear your opinion on these numbers. You know, where do you see the markets based on, you know, what's happened in the past? And like I said, we're going to dive into this stuff, but I'd love to hear your comments. Like, comment, share, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Take care.